Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically how to make headphones quiet and reduce the volume. This will be a tutorial for beginners. Once again, the topic of this video will be me showing you and telling you specifically about the following things. I will be showing you and telling you how to make headphones quiet and reduce their overall volume. And this will be a tutorial for absolute beginners. Let's get into this. I'll be going over 4 simple steps to quiet down your headphones, whether you're doing it for yourself, for your child, for a friend, whatever the case is, this is the video for you. Number 1, the easiest thing, and I probably shouldn't have said this, but I'm gonna say it anyways, is to turn down the volume on the device. A lot of headphones will have a built-in volume button, and maybe people are thinking that they're clicking the volume down, but maybe it's not registering on the device. So make sure that on the device itself, the phone, the tablet, whatever it is, the video game console, whatever it is that you've connected these to, make sure you turn down the volume on the device. By turning down the volume on the device, your headphone volume will decrease as well. As you can see right here, these headphones have like this little volume knob, so maybe you're pushing it, but maybe it's not actually connected in the right way to the device to allow it to turn down the volume on the device. So make sure you're turning down the volume on the device. That's step number 1. Okay? Step number 2 is to limit the max volume on the device. So you want to make sure that you turn down the maximum volume on the device. Sorry, my mustache hairs are just really annoying me right now. But you want to basically limit the max volume on the device. That's number 2. So most devices are going to have like a volume limiter where you can set it so that like the max volume will only go up to this level. Okay? So go into the settings of the device and the volume settings or the audio settings and try and reduce the maximum volume, and that will make the headphones quieter because the max volume on the headphones will be much lower than the original max volume that they were capable of. Okay? If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to number 3, which is to use the noise canceling feature, and that will make the headphone environment quieter. Noise canceling on headphones essentially limits the environmental noise by putting like, I think it works by like putting like opposite noises in there, like opposite frequencies. I'm not sure exactly about the science, but I know basically it uses like opposite frequencies to limit the noise around you using the noise canceling feature. Sorry, I'm in my laundry room, and the window here, I just noticed that there's like some stones in a window well that's sort of sunken, I guess. I think it's called an egress window. I noticed there's a big gap between the stones, so I'm a little bit concerned. That's why I keep looking outside. I'm gonna go check it out after, but I don't know if there's any shifting happening, but I'm gonna go check it out. But anyways, sorry, if I kept looking, I do apologize. I'm gonna look at it after. Anyways, the noise canceling feature is number 3. It will not make the headphones quieter, but it will make the headphone environment quieter. So use the noise canceling feature. It will probably help you out at least a little bit. And last but not least is number 4. Number 4 is to use an equalizer. So adjust the equalizer settings if you have them available. That's number 4. You want to try and get an equalizer on your device or on the headphones, because by adjusting the equalizer settings, not only can you reduce the volume, but you can make it sound cleaner. So if you're looking for a cleaner sound, you can change the equalizer settings to make for a cleaner sound, which will make it sound quieter. Even if it's not quieter, it'll sound quieter. So yeah, it'll sound more crisp and a little bit cleaner and a little bit quieter. So that's basically it. That is how to make headphones quiet and reduce their overall volume, a tutorial for beginners. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.